How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to build core strength for beginners, a simple video that works. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So when people want to build core strength, what they always do is they train their abs, and that's literally all they do. That is not your core. That is part of your core, but that is not all your core. Your core also includes your lower back or your back, and it also includes your pelvic muscles as well. So one of the things that I like to do for my pelvic muscles is a glute bridge, and it is by far one of the best exercises you can do for your pelvic muscles. It also will work the lower back to some degree as well, and it will also work the abs to some degree as well. So glute bridge is the number one exercise I recommend for building a strong core. Literally, you lay on the ground and you just lift your glutes up. You can watch a tutorial video. It's very, very easy to do. So that is super, super good. A plank, a side plank, and just a normal plank are also really good exercises to do for your core. Really, really good exercises. Another thing to do, the reason why a strong core is important is because it's going to improve your balance and your posture, which is very, very important. Like one of the most important things on our body, you guys, posture and balance. So a strong core is very good. For ab exercises, I would do flutter kicks. I just love flutter kicks. So I do flutter kicks, I would do glute bridges, and I would do either a side or a normal plank. That's what I would do. And I would do that workout 3 to 4 times a week. You could do a circuit training if you want to, do 1 minute of glute bridges, 1 minute of a side plank, and then 1 minute of flutter kicks. And then you can take a 1 minute break, and then you can just redo that like 5 times in a row. That's what I will usually do. My core is extremely strong. I'll do weighted glute bridges with a lot of weight. My back muscles from deadlifting are extremely strong, and my abs too from deadlifting. So that's what I recommend. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.